I'm building this YouTube channel from 6 subscribers up, and I'm testing every AI tool that promises to help small creators on this actual channel before I tell you whether it works. Here's the problem. Every AI tool review you've watched was made on a channel that's already big. The workflows look great. The dashboards look impressive. None of it tells you whether the tool actually works when nobody's watching yet. That's the gap. That's what I'm filling here. I tested my custom GPT against vidIQ AI for title generation. I gave ChatGPT full control of a script and filmed what happened. Every video is one test, one result, one takeaway for channels that look like mine. No amazing hacks, no 10x your channel, no invented metrics. The rule? Real tests, real numbers on a real small channel. If a tool wasted my time, I say so. If a workflow saved 40 minutes, I show the timer. If something didn't work, that's the video. Start with the custom GPT versus vidIQ AI test. Closest thing to a head-to-head you'll find on a small channel. Then watch what happened when I let AI write my entire script. If you want to see the next test before anyone else copies it, subscribe. New video every Tuesday.